Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I'm right back here with another beautiful video tutorial for you guys. And as usual, if you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome to my family. My name is Janelle and I make videos on natural hair, fashion DIYs and creative crafts. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this beautiful mirror tray using an old cake board. Yes, you heard right, cake board that you throw away, you can turn it into a beautiful treasure. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you're not. Make sure to click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So all I have to do is take this cake board and take this gold spray paint and spray the edges. I first sprayed it on the black wrap around the board, but I did not like the color, so I had to remove the black wrap and spray it on the board itself. But it still didn't give me that sharp metallic gold I need. So please, if you guys know where I could get a beautiful metallic gold spray paint here in Nigeria, please kindly let me know because I really need it. So I had to go with this gold bling wrap, to wrap it all around the edges so it could give me that metallic gold finish that I need. So all I'm gonna do is just cut out this gold bling wrap and gum it all around the edges of this board. And please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Share it and share it with all your friends and family, guys. Share it, come one, come all, and watch and learn on this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. So right now I am done attaching the bling wrap all around the cake board. Next, I'll be taking this mirror, which I took to the market to cut to the size of this cake board. This was an old mirror I got which got broken, so I just had, instead of throwing it away, I just took it to where the cut mirrors in Lagos, and they cut it to the size I needed. So don't throw away your mirrors, guys. You can always reuse it for another project. So this mirror is slightly smaller than this tray. So I'm going to use this bag rings which I got from the market and just use my UHU gum and hot gun to attach it all around the cake boards. You can make use of shower curtain rings. You can make use of these book rings. You can make use of normal cotton rings. You can make use of anything. These are just bag rings I bought from Mushi Market, which cost like 150 per dozen or 200 per dozen, I can't remember. So basically the only thing I bought for this project was just these rings, because the mirror I had it at home which broke, which I had to go and just cut it to the size I needed. The cake board was just something I picked from one trash, and the beads, I had the hair beads with me. I've had that hair beads for a long time, and Brielle school don't allow wearing of beads, so I just had to reuse it for this project. So basically what I spent on this project was just 200 naira, or let's say 400 naira, because I had to buy like 2 dozens of these rings. So all you have to do is just use the hot gun and attach the rings all around the cake board, and voila, you've got yourself a beautiful tray. Okay guys, so that's what I'm going to be doing. After using my hot gun, I'll go in again with my UHU gum so it can further strengthen the hold on the rings on this cake board. And as you can see, my madam came back from school and still decided to help mommy with this project. And by the way, this mirror tray was inspired by a post I saw on Instagram. I'm gonna be leaving the picture I saw on Instagram. Oh my god, I just fell in love with the tray, and I decided like I can recreate this, you know. And you know, my creative buds just started getting together and like, Jane, you can do this, you can do this. And I just had to think outside of the box, and voila. Oh my god, I'm loving this tray. So this is me going in with my UHU gum, you know, all around the rings neatly, so as not to, you know, mess up everything I've done, just to further strengthen that hole. Because sometimes our hot gun tend to, when you carry the tray, you might tend to pull out. It might pull out and then you break the mirror. So if you have UHU gum or E6000, you can use it to further strengthen the hold of the rings on the cake board. Then next, I'll just have to turn it to the back. You can decide to cover the back if you don't like the back plain like this, but after all, it's my house. I'm not selling this, so I can't waste any of my material for the back. So I'm going to first of all apply the UHU gum to the beads, and then my hot gun to the board, and then attach the bead to the board, just like you see me do, in order to further strengthen the hold of the bead on the board. And I'm going to leave this for like 2 or 3 hours, so it will dry very well. All the UHU gum will dry all around the rings, and the beads behind will dry very well also. And oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I think this is the most beautiful thing I've ever created. Oh jeez, man, guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Imagine making this out of a used cake board. All of you always chopping your cake and throwing away the board. You don't know what you are doing, no. Oh my god, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is absolutely breathtaking, guys. What do you think? I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around. I love you guys so much. You guys are the real G's, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Share it and share with all your family and friends, guys. Like, people need to see this. This is amazing, guys. I love you all. See you all in my next video. Bye. Oh my god, this is beautiful, amazing. Woo! Jane actually created this. Can you see the beads on the legs? Oh my god, he gave us this like, what should I say? Oh, this is amazing. This is beautiful. Bye guys.